Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another video. In this video I'm going to share with you a very vital topic, and then the topic name is everyday conversational English and thinking in English. Please watch my full video and follow subscribe my channel, and that's why you'll be able to see my all content even when I will publish my every single content in my channel. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English learning. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us and me. So this is time for let's again. Oh my goodness. Everybody wants to speak in English with very fluently, but they can't find way. Oh, what the way if they are following that time, they will be most fluent in speaking English. Now I'm showing with you exactly how you become an English fluent speaker. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel into my bell button. Number one is fluency of perfection. Most learner focus on grammar, but they can't speak in English. Grammar is your basic. Grammar doesn't fluency. Fluency after comes for your practice, so you must have practice. But they are willing to learn grammar, they can't speak in English. Oh my goodness. And number two is thinking in English, translating in your English language like native language flows, and you drown. Training your brain to think directly in English is speed up and speaks naturally. Practical vocabulary and phrases like knowing common phrases and how to respond in everyday situation is far more useful than your memorizing complex grammar, because grammar is too hard. Or if you think grammar is too hard, that time you must have practice. Confidence and pronunciation. Speaking regularly, even imperfectly, builds confidence and pronunciation. Practice ensures other than understand you. Pronunciation is too much crucial for about this speaking English, and real life application like this is what actually allows learner to communicate in schools, job, travels, and online. Now I'm showing with you more too much viral topics. Oh my goodness, can we imagine this English language is too easy, but I didn't understand why you can't speak in English. It's your failure. That's why you didn't more practice. That's why you are not able to speak in English right now. It's your failure. Mistake are proof that you are trying. So don't do this about your mistakes. You just worry about how the pronunciation and your accent. Like think in English, practical ways to like morning. Good morning, how are you? My name is Shishir. You just practice like can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? And practice speaking daily 10 or 15 minutes of speaking aloud every day can improve fluency. Talk to yourself, record your voice or use language exchange app. Learn common phrases, not just what. Phrases is the two most crucial part about how speaking English. Like I agree with you about these issues, and I'm not sure about this. He will go on or not. I don't know. Can you meet tomorrow? Can you meet tomorrow? Because tomorrow will our meeting time and date. Can you meet tomorrow? And listen and repeat. Watch English videos. Watch English videos and watch English podcast and watch English sports and watch English news like BBC News, and repeat your pronunciation and accent. Think in English everywhere. describe what you see, what you are doing, or what you plan to do in the English language. Seeing a cat, that cat is too cute, or that cat is so cute, it's sleeping peacefully. Real life example, a simple conversation like, "Hi, how it's going?" Friend sure, I'm good, thank, and you? And friend one, I'm great. Do you want to go for a coffee? Sure, let's meet at 5 p.m. You can say this kind of phrases and you can practice this kind of sentences, and this is very easy. And focus on your conversation or perfection. Like if you want to speak English fluently, focus on everyday conversation English and think in English. Grammar and vocabulary matter, but fluency comes from practice and natural thinking. Start with small phases, practice daily, and immerse yourself in real life conversation. Remember, speaking English is a skill, not a test. The more you practice, the faster you improve. With consistency and focus, you will notice real progress in just a few months or few weeks. And start today by learning 5 new English phrases and using them in conversation. Your confidence will go faster than you think. So practice more and real life in English conversation. And I strongly believe that if you follow my this kind of content, or if you follow my this kind of podcast, that time you will be able to speak in English in 24 or 7 days, because in this content there is no scam. This is from my real life. I'm showing with you my real life experience about my English speaking journey. So don't waste your time, because time is very valuable for us, you and me. Fluency comes practice, because practice makes a man perfect, and practice and consistency makes a man perfect. So practice your language and practice your thing. That time you will be fluent than your imagination. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. And if you want to my full episode, or if you want to my full content, please follow or subscribe into my bell button. That time you will be able to see my all content while I'll publish my recent content into my channel. So this time for bye.